Good morning, student. Let's discuss remaining part of chapter 18, water pollution. Water pollution means the addition of unwanted or harmful substances in water bodies are the cause of water pollution, and the substance that pollute the water is known as water pollutant or water pollutants. How does water get polluted? What are the causes of water pollution? Discharge of sewage and detergents into the lakes and rivers, human activities like bathing, washing of clothes, discharge of industrial waste and agriculture waste, defecation by human and animals in or near water sources, oil spills from oil tankers, domestic sewage in big cities is released into rivers. This sewage promotes the growth of algae and bacteria which use a lot of oxygen. This is thus depletion of oxygen in water. As a result, fish die. From here we can answer that why do the fish die? Because in polluted water, this is because the domestic sewage promote the growth of bacteria and algae. These bacteria and algae use up the oxygen in the water bodies. Due to the deficiency of oxygen in water, the fish and other water animals find difficulty in breathing, hence they die. Now the next topic is case study Ganga River. Ganga is a sacred river of India. Lack of people depend on it for their daily needs and livelihood. As it flows through different towns and cities, it gets polluted because of large quantities of garbage, untreated sewage, dead bodies and harmful chemicals from industry are thrown in it. As you all know that Ganga is the sacred or the holy river in India, and lakhs of people depend on it for their basic life activities as it flows from many towns and cities, and it is getting polluted day by day due to the human activities like we throw the garbage in it, and we throw throw we throw different chemicals from the industry in it, and UP government has launched a program in 1985. This program is known as Ganga Action Plan to reduce the pollution level in the river, as it is found that in Kanpur, which is in UP, there is a most populated. In Kanpur, Ganga is most polluted because Kanpur is densely populated town, and billions of people bath, wash their clothes and even defecate in this river, and garbage, flowers, idols of god and goddess are thrown in it. That's why the river Ganga is become polluted in Kanpur. So to check or to prevent this damage caused to Ganga, government has de- uh, set a plan known as Ganga Action Plan to check or to prevent the pollution in Ganga. Now, next topic is potable water. Potable water is the water which is fit for drinking, and the characteristics of drinking water is that it should be pleasant to taste, it should be colorless and odorless, it should be free from germs and suspended impurities, it should be free from harmful chemicals, it should contain dissolved gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide. Purification of water. Now there are several methods to purify water: filtration, boiling, chlorination. But earlier there were no such development of aquaguards and purifiers. Then people used to use earthen pots to purify water and also to keep the water cool for the long time. Aims of purification: to remove suspended impurity, to destroy harmful germs. Method of making water safe for drinking: the water can be purified by passing it through sand, gravel, and charcoal. This physical method of removing impurities is known as filtration, but these days candle filters are used for filtration. Boiling: in homes, boiling is the common method used to purify water as high temperature kills germs. Chlorination means adding of chlorine or chemicals to purify water. Control measures and conservation of water: chemical waste from factories should be properly treated before being released into water. Industrial waste should be recycled. Sewage from cities should be discharged directly into the rivers, should not be discharged directly into the rivers. Proper toilet facilities should be provided to rural people. Biological fertilizers and pesticide should be used. Now, with this, we have completed the chapter number 18, and hope you have understood it. If there is any problem, then you can ask me. Thank you.